step into the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 5SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 20x9 multi-dimensional polished alloy, forged perforated leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, adaptive ride control suspension, radio, premium GMC infotainment system with navigation and driver alert package I. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.